Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we will outline communication between MechanicDesk and ServiceBook. If you navigate to Customers and Vehicles and then the Communication Templates tab, you will notice that most SMS and email communications can be done between MechanicDesk and your customer using ServiceBook. This should save you quite a lot of money due to no longer needing to send SMS messages. A great example of this is the communication campaigns, whereby you can create a campaign and send a bulk message to all of your customers via ServiceBook rather than SMS. If a customer is connected with your workshop via ServiceBook, they will receive the communication via push notification rather than SMS. In short, this will save you money as well as be a very effective way to communicate with all of your customers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.